Wondering how you can create a car cake from scratch? Then stay with me as I take you through on how I made this beautiful car cake. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tessie of Tessie Mix and Events, and today I'm taking you through on how you can carve out a beautiful car cake baked with a rectangular pan. Stay with me. Here I used a rectangular pan, 12 by 10 pan, and I baked 3 of it. Now I am layering the cakes and I am carving it out so that I get the size that I really want and how I want the cake to look. After I'm done layering the cake, I went ahead to carve it because it's that carving that will give it a perfect shape. And I'm now carving it based on the type of car that I want to make. This is the outcome of the carving. So beautiful, and it's already looking like a car even without covering. Then we'll move over to cover it. Here I am rolling out the fondant that I will need to use and cover, and then I had to measure it because if you don't measure it you might end up with less of the fondant, and so it's very important that you measure. And after I'm done, I covered up the cake, the carved car cake, and I am here trying to wrap the fondant around the cake. Things to note: make sure that you have a good fondant recipe. Roll your fondant thick, not very thick but not thin, just at the middle. I am done wrapping it and cutting out the excess, and then here I am trying to give the sharp edges where I am supposed to give sharp edges, and you can see it's already turning out great. And here I'm just putting the designs on the cake so it looks like the type of cake that I want to make. Can you guess the cake I am making? Well, if you have watched up to this moment and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then you're missing, because on my channel I make educative videos that helps baker or intending bakers to learn. So let's continue. Here I am adding the final touches, trying to make sure that it comes out like what I want to create, and I had to cut some patches and attach to the cake. Precision is what actually works when you're decorating this kind of thing. Make sure everything you're cutting is neat, precise, and you're good to go. So after applying all the cutouts, you see it's looking more like the cake I need to make, right? And here I am steaming it and washing my cake so it pops. And actually this cake did pop because it looked so beautiful. Now I have to proceed to do some painting on the cake, and before that I need to clean off any dirt or stain on that cake so it looks so clean. Then I proceed to paint on the cake. Painting is not like much, just the front, painting it silver color, just a touch of black and silver though. That's the concept of what I'm doing. Or if you're decorating something different, then your concept will be different. And after this I'm done. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to Tessie Bakes YouTube channel to get more notifications on things like this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.